Long ago, in a wide grassy valley near a quiet river, there lived a gentle elephant named Miro. Miro was big and strong, with soft gray skin and kind eyes. All the animals knew him as the most helpful elephant. Every morning before the sun rose, Miro would wake up and begin helping others. He carried heavy logs for the beavers. He fetched water from the river for the thirsty deer. He helped tiny mice cross the stream on his back. He even shook fruit down from tall trees for the monkeys. Everyone loved Miro. They would say, "Miro is so kind. He is always there when we need him." But no one ever asked Miro if he was tired. No one ever asked if he needed help. Miro lived under a big tree near the river. His resting place was made of leaves and grass. Over time, the ground became hard and uneven. His shelter needed fixing, but he never had time. "I will fix it later," Miro would say. "First, I must help my friends." One day, Miro woke up feeling very weak. His legs felt heavy. His eyes were tired. He had not slept well for many nights because rain leaked into his resting place. He had not eaten enough. Still, he got up and walked into the valley. "Miro, please help me," cried a young zebra. "I cannot reach the tall grass." Miro was hungry, but he bent the grass down so the zebra could eat. Then a group of monkeys called out, "Miro, shake the tree for us." "We are hungry." Miro's stomach rumbled, but he shook the tree until fruit fell for them. Later, a turtle asked for a ride across the river. Miro was very tired, but he carried the turtle safely across. This went on every day. Miro helped everyone and forgot about himself. He did not rest when he was tired. He did not eat when he was hungry. He did not fix his own shelter. Weeks passed. Miro grew weaker. His steps became slow. His eyes lost their shine. One morning he tried to stand up but could not. He was too weak. He lay under his tree, cold and hungry. He called softly, "Can someone help me?" But the animals were busy. The monkeys were playing. The deer were grazing. The zebras were running. No one heard him. For 2 days, Miro lay there alone. On the third day, an old tortoise walked slowly by. He heard a faint voice and followed the sound. When he saw Miro, he was shocked. The strong, kind elephant looked weak and tired. "My dear friend," said the tortoise gently, "what happened to you?" Miro told him everything. He spoke about helping everyone every day. He spoke about never resting, never eating properly, and never taking care of himself. The tortoise nodded sadly. "You have a big heart," he said. "But you forgot something important. You forgot to care for yourself. But helping others is good," Miro said weakly. "Yes," said the tortoise, "helping others is good. But if you become too weak, how will you help anyone? You must fill your own strength first. Only then can you share it." The tortoise brought Miro water and fresh leaves to eat. He called the other animals for help. When they saw Miro lying there weak and tired, they felt ashamed. They had asked for help every day but never thought about him. "We are sorry, Miro," they said. "We should have helped you too." Together, they fixed his resting place. They brought him food and clean water. They stayed with him until he became strong again. As Miro recovered, the tortoise gave him gentle advice. "Take care of yourself first," he said. "Rest when you are tired. Eat when you are hungry." It is not selfish. It is necessary. Miro understood. From that day on, he changed. Each morning, he ate before helping others. He rested when he felt tired. He said, "I will help you soon, but first I must take care of myself." At first, some animals were surprised, but soon they understood. Miro became strong again. His steps were steady. His eyes were bright. And because he took care of himself, he could help others better than ever. The valley became a kinder place. The animals learned to care for themselves and for each other. And Miro lived a long, happy life, helping others without forgetting himself. Remember this: you cannot give your strength if you have none left. Take care of yourself first, and then you can truly help others.